Correct way to write line to file. How do I write a line to a file in modern Python? I heard that this is deprecated. Also, does \n work on all platforms, or should I use \r\n on Windows?
I do not think there is a correct way. I would use in memoriam dim 2D.
You should use the print, a function which is available since Python 2.6 plus. For Python 3 you don't need the import, since the print, a function is the default. The alternative in Python 3 would be to use quoting from Python documentation regarding newlines. When writing output to the stream, if newline is none, any \n characters written are translated to the system default line separator, os.linesep. If newline is O or \n, no translation takes place. If newline is any of the other legal values, any \n characters written are translated to the given string. See also, reading and writing files, the Python tutorial.
This should be as simple as from the documentation. Do not use os.linesep as a line terminator when writing files opened in text mode. The default, use a single \n instead on all platforms. Some useful reading. The with statement. Open is for append or use. W to write with truncation. OS, particularly os.linesep.
Regarding os.linesep. Here is an exact unedited Python 2.7.1 interpreter session on Windows. On Windows. As expected, os.linesep does not produce the same outcome as \n. There is no way that it could produce the same outcome. Hi there plus os.linesep is equivalent to hi there \n, which is not equivalent to hi there \n. It's this simple, use \n which will be translated automatically to os.linesep. And it's been that simple ever since the first port of Python to Windows. There is no point in using os.linesep on non-Windows systems, and it produces wrong results on Windows. Do not use os.linesep.
Cross-hotel.